see trees of green, red roses too, and I see them bloom for me and for you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue, clouds of white, the bright blessed day, dark sacred night. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces. People passing by, see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying, and I love you. And I hear babies crying, I watch them grow, they learn much more I'll ever know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Yeah. I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Oh yeah. Maestro, grande.
Bravissimi, bravi. Mike Spiteri accompagnato